Hey friends, welcome to Kusadasi Life. I hope you're well wherever you are in the world. Today I've come to one of the oldest businesses here in Kusadasi. This business has been here since 1968. So let's go in and find out a little bit more about this. It's a very unusual, very unique shop. So let's go in and find out a bit more about it. So today I've come to Hacivat Ceramic Factory. Now this is located right next to Four Brothers. Almost opposite the arch in Kusadasi. So let's go in. It's a very unusual shop. On the front here, it looks like a very small shop, but as you go in, it just opens up and it is like Aladdin's cave. This place is absolutely huge. I'm hoping to meet up with the owner, Efe, and have a chat with him about this place. As you can see, it just goes on and on and on, but you wouldn't believe this from the front. From the front, it just looks like a small shop. There's so many nice things here. With me is Baha and Efe, father and son. Father actually started the business here in 1952. And then later on in 1968, they started to produce the ceramics. Efe, thank you for seeing me. Thank you for your time. Can you explain a little bit about your business to me, please?
Yes. We made ceramic and traditional Turkish design.
Yes.
Handmade, hand-painted ceramics.
Okay.
And those are, all of them very colorful.
Yes.
And we have the ovens and pottery, everything's here.
Uh-huh.
So
you do from start to finish, you produce here in this factory here.
many products, yes.
Okay, yeah.
Many products.
So what are some of your popular products?
It depends for the customer, depends for country.
Yes.
Depends
So
for
different countries,
different countries choose a different products.
Uh-huh.
And for example, for European countries, the Britannian and Irish, they like the colorful.
Yes.
And when we look the Belgium and Holland, they like the blue and white.
Okay.
And somebody's love the modern products. Somebody's
Yes.
love the very classic products.
Uh-huh.
Somebody's look the historical.
Right. Okay.
Somebody's look the mythologic.
Uh-huh.
You know what?
So yes.
Every customer
is
has
different.
different story.
Every customer is different, you know.
Yeah.
Yes. Now I've seen some ceramics that glow in the dark.
Yes.
You know, they're charged by the light. You have those here also?
Yes.
Yes.
We made since 2009.
Uh-huh.
Then now
Uh-huh.
we have something glow in the dark room.
Right.
I will show you.
Yes,
few
please.
minutes later.
Yes.
A few minutes later, but we will start to show how we made,
Okay.
how we paint. The product.
Yes. Okay.
Like
Cool. Let's have a walk around. So the oven is working now.
Yes, it's working now, but
Okay.
the worker is not here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are new
With
pieces that are being
glaze,
made. Uh-huh.
new pieces.
Okay.
When is take it out,
Yes.
products.
Uh-huh.
He's my boss.
Okay. Okay. So then after glazing, then you start the painting.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like this. Give me.
Okay.
This room is really good because the product is very special.
Okay.
First, we must know that this is not paper,
Right. Right.
not canvas,
Okay.
and this is the clay,
Mm-hmm.
soil.
Right.
And when you paint the clay,
Yes.
you must very carefully, very fast,
Yes.
and if you do the wrong,
Mm-hmm.
you can't clear.
No. So where is your clay sourced? Is it from different areas of Turkey?
Yes,
or?
different areas in Turkey. Some part is Kütahya, some part is the Eskişehir,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
some part is the Muğla.
Okay.
Yeah, this
Oh,
is the
very
one
nice.
mixed.
Ah, nice.
And we made our products with the bone ceramic.
Bone ceramic.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
the high temperature.
Uh-huh. Very nice pieces. Okay.
And detail is very important.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, as this place is really like an Aladdin's cave, so let's have a look at these lamps here. Wow. Beautiful.
Also, these
Beautiful.
lamps is handmade.
They're all handmade, yes?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
But we don't make. We made on ceramic.
Uh-huh. Okay, so these lamps are not made by you. You only
But this is made in Turkey.
Made in Turkey?
Yeah,
But not
but
but you specialize in ceramics.
Different manufacture made.
These are the glow in the dark ceramics.
This glows in the dark products is totally different than other products.
Right.
And different clay, different pigments, different temperature of the bag.
Uh-huh.
Everything's different.
Okay.
Now I will show how it works.
Okay.
It keep the light inside.
Mhm.
If I take to 1 hour, it give the 6 hours good reaction.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
After 6 hours, it needs sunshine or light shine again.
Okay.
Now I will switch off the light.
Okay.
You can see our magic.
Okay. Wow. Wow. So they don't really take too long to charge from the light. do
Yes,
they?
1 hour charge.
1 hour is enough, yeah. Oh, very good. So we're coming out at the other exit or entrance. So there are two entrances. Well, you can see there is the archway. Here is a very, very small entrance, as there is on the other side. But as you go in, the whole thing opens up, and it really is like Aladdin's cave here. Well, that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed my trip to Hacivat Ceramic Factory. They have some absolutely wonderful, wonderful things here. So do pay them a visit. And they've assured me if you're a subscriber, you will be treated like a king here. So come and pay them a visit. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and share. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help me out a lot. So until next time, my friends, take care, stay safe and stay blessed.